Doosan Turbomachinery Services, your premier full-service turbomachinery repair company, located in Houston, Texas. Doosan Turbomachinery Services, consistently delivering engineered solutions that keep your equipment running at peak performance.
Welcome to the virtual tour showcasing Doosan's gas and steam turbine services at our world-class facility located in Texas. As you will see, we have one of the most capable facilities and the best teams in the business. Our top-tier services are built on the foundation of having a tenured, experienced team of personnel, continued investment in new tooling, machinery, and facilities, along with a working culture founded on providing quality service and value to our clients. Enjoy the video, and we encourage you to schedule a visit to see how we can meet your service needs.
Here at DTS, we have capabilities to perform repairs and overhauls on gas and steam turbines, encompassing mature fleets to advanced H-class units. All services, which range from our component repair and coating capabilities to our rotor and mechanical overhauls, have experienced technicians and engineering teams working side by side to provide an unparalleled service. Our technical experts here continue to innovate through the development of repair technology for H-class repairs, as well as re-engineering and manufacturing replacement components, and expanding and tailoring our services to meet your most challenging needs.
Doosan Turbomachinery Services component repair facility is equipped to handle a wide range of hot gas path and combustion component. DTS's state-of-the-art component repair facility is staffed with experienced craftsmen who deliver uncompromising quality while meeting the demanding delivery schedules of today's market.
DTS is in a unique position for a repair facility. Our thermal spray division works hand in hand with our metallurgical laboratories and repair engineers to develop engineered coating solutions. Here at DTS, our rotor facility has a 100-ton crane capacity with 52-foot underhook. Our precision tooling and balancing up to 180,000 pounds provides capacity for a full range of gas turbine and large steam turbine rotor repairs, including specialization in F-class rotors. With our experienced technicians and management team, we are able to execute the most complex overhauls while providing customers with reliable and prompt world-class service.
At Doosan Turbomachinery Services, our uncompromising focus on high-quality craftsmen is an essential part of our strategy. You know when you work with DTS that you're getting the very best solution. We get it right, on time, and on budget. Give us the opportunity to show you the Doosan difference.